In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add receipts on Xero. By the end, you'll know how to take a receipt, upload it to Xero, turn it into a bill, and approve it so your records stay tidy and up to date. Start on your Xero dashboard. At the very top of the screen, click your organization name to open the quick menu. From that menu, choose Files. This takes you to Xero's Files area, which includes the Files inbox, a great place to store receipts and documents before you attach them to transactions. Now, click Upload to Files inbox. You can drag and drop a receipt image or PDF, or browse your computer to select it. Wait for the upload to finish. You'll see the file appear as a tile in the inbox. It helps to use clear scans or photos and concise file names so you can spot what you need later. Next, hover over the uploaded receipt and click the three dots to open actions for that file. Choose Bill. Xero will create a new bill and automatically attach that receipt to it, so you always have the source document linked. You're now on the bill screen. In the From field, select the supplier shown on the receipt. Pick the exact contact you use for that vendor to keep your reporting consistent. In the Due Date field, enter when the bill needs to be paid, following the payment terms on the receipt or your usual terms. This ensures the bill appears in your accounts payable at the right time. Add a reference next, often the invoice or receipt number. This makes it easier to search and reconcile later. Then move to the line Items. In the item column, select the appropriate item from your list that best matches the purchase. When you choose an item, Xero can fill in the description, account, tax rate, and unit price you've saved for it. Adjust quantities or amounts if needed, so the subtotal, tax, and total match the receipt exactly. Take a moment to confirm the currency, tax treatment, and any description details are correct. Before you finish, glance at the attached file preview on the right to confirm you've captured everything accurately. That attachment will stay with the bill, giving you a complete audit trail. When everything looks good, click Approve. The bill is now recorded in Xero with the receipt securely attached, ready for payment and reporting. That's it. You've uploaded a receipt to the Files inbox, created a bill from it, completed the key bill details, and approved it, all within a smooth, repeatable workflow you can use for every receipt.